This video will introduce you how to install this 3-phase low-voltage hybrid inverter. The inverter is a core device that connects green energy sources such as photovoltaics, energy storage devices such as batteries, electrical loads, generators, and the power grid, enabling flexible energy management and efficient utilization. Upon opening the box, you will find the following accessories. Precautions for wall-mounted installation of inverters. Remove the metal cover before connecting all wires. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Connect the battery cables to the battery port. Rotate to loosen the sealing cap, makes it easy for cables to pass through. Connect the battery power line to the battery terminal. Rotate to tighten the sealing cap. Following the wiring sequence instructions when connecting communication line. Connect the BMS line to the BMS port. Rotate to loosen the sealing cap, makes it easy for cables to pass through. Insert the communication cable into the corresponding BMS port. Rotate to tighten the sealing cap. Taking a 580W photovoltaic panel as an example. Make sure the DC switch are in the off state. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Connect PV cable to PV port. Rotate to loosen the sealing cap, makes it easy for cables to pass through. Connect PV cable to PV terminal. Rotate to tighten the sealing cap. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Connect load and grid cable to load and grid port. Rotate to loosen the grid sealing cap, makes it easy for cables to pass through. Connect grid cable to grid terminal. Rotate to tighten the sealing cap. Rotate to loosen the load sealing cap, makes it easy for cables to pass through. Connect load cable to load terminal. Rotate to tighten the sealing cap. Connect the CT line to the denunciation port. Ensure consistent L1, L2, L3 phase alignment. Rotate to loosen the load sealing cap, makes it easy for cables to pass through. Follow the prompts on the PCB board to connect the CT. Rotate to tighten the sealing cap. Clip the CTs to grid cable. The arrow direction confirming the CT should be toward grid. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cable. Ensures reliable grounding of the inverter housing. After all cable connections are complete, reinstall the removed cover. Insert the Wi-Fi dongle into the Wi-Fi port and tighten it. Verify PV, battery and grid voltages with a multimeter to confirm compliance with requirements. Press the battery power switch. the inverter side battery switch, the PD switch, and the grid power switch in sequence, then wait for the inverter to start.